Before we send things over to Chester and Anthony for a look at your weather and traffic, though, we have some developing news out of Alabama this morning. They're one step closer to having the most restrictive abortion law in the nation.
The Senate approved a bill that bans nearly all abortions, including rape cases. Our Aaron O'Neill Hayes is live in the Satellite Center with more on this controversial issue. Good morning, Aaron.
Well, good morning. The House already approved the bill. It's now in the governor's hands. Alabama is not the only state considering abortion restrictions. 7 other states have already passed so-called fetal heartbeat bills. Missouri is set to pass a similar bill, or is set to take up a similar bill, banning abortions after 8 weeks. Doctors face 5 to 15 years in prison if enacted. The legislation bans abortions at every stage of pregnancy except when the mother's life is at risk. The bill does not include exceptions for rape or incest. The measure would make performing an abortion a Class A felony, punishable by up to 99 years in prison for doctors. Opponents say it should be the woman's choice to have an abortion, but critics argue Roe v. Wade, which protects a woman's right to an abortion, must be challenged. Tensions flared in the state Senate yesterday as Alabama lawmakers debated the legislation. Opponents say they will challenge the measure in federal court if it becomes law.
This bill's purpose is to hopefully get to the Supreme Court and have them revisit the actual decision, which was, is the baby in a womb a person?
If Alabama's governor signs the bill into law, it would go into effect in 6 months. Reporting live in the Satellite Center, Aaron O'Neill Hayes, 5 on your side.
Thanks, Aaron.